Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Hello token. Ticker symbol is Hello. This token is from the project called Hello Labs. They just got a brand new central exchange listing yesterday. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token from the Hello Labs, the Hello token, just got listed yesterday on a central exchange called Hotbit Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Hotbit account, I do have a Hotbit referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, to get this token, all you'd have to do is just go right through that Hotbit referral code down there. Fund your account with USDT after you open an account. Go into the trade section, search Hello, which is the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. Cool thing about Hotbit is you can invest a lot of tokens on Hotbit by putting them in DeFi farm pools, lock up, stake them. There's all sorts of different ways that you can earn really high APY, which is like interest, annual percentage yield on a lot of different tokens. So definitely check out that Hotbit referral code if you don't have an account, because that's where this token just got listed yesterday, February 13th. So their official Twitter is verified at Hello Labs. They have the blue check mark, 54,100 Twitter followers. So the future of crypto and entertainment, and they have a link tree available on their Twitter. They also have their official webpage on their Twitter as well. Now it says hello.one, hello.one is their official webpage, and they have different headings at the top of their page. One is TV, arcade, news, and about us. So if you click on About Us, that should take you over to Info. And it says, Hello Labs is the future of crypto and entertainment, a Web3 native ecosystem that incubates, produces, funds, and distributes original programming, games, and NFTs, coining the term cryptotainment. We are designed to fully realize the vast potential of Web3 and appeal to both crypto and mainstream mass audiences. Founded by Paul Caslin, the Grammy-nominated creative director of the MTV VMAs. Interesting. Hello Labs seeks to onboard the next 1 billion Web3 users by creating a seamless Web2 meets Web3 experience that guides even the most basic of users to take their first step of owning a digital asset, playing Web3 games, or watching exclusive shows. So the Hello token is the heart of the Web3 ecosystem. Hello will be utilized for accessing exclusive content, playing games in the Hello Arcade, and purchasing NFTs as the ecosystem grows. Further utility will be revealed. The Hello token is available on the Binance Smart Chain, and you can find it listed, it says here, on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. Their team is doxed on the page here. They have the founder, Paul Caslin. They show his face. They have a LinkedIn, and they have a Instagram for him that you could check out. And they also have his IMDb, because I guess this guy is a celeb, so he's got a bunch of credits there. And then they have a whole bunch of other teams here. CEO, business manager, executive producer, a whole bunch of team members. They all have links there. It says, Hello Labs are working with a number of partners within the Web3 crypto and entertainment spaces to help us expand our brand and reach a mainstream mass audience through the development, incubation, and production of unique cryptotainment IPs. Get in touch today and share your vision of the future and become a Hello Labs partner. Interested in becoming a Hello Labs partner, you can get in touch with them here. It says that we're always looking for new visionaries to help us on this journey. Now you can subscribe to a newsletter. They have that at the bottom of the page, a monthly newsletter, it says, to get the latest news. Lots of socials. They have a Facebook, Instagram, YouTube channel, Twitter, Telegram, Discord, and CoinMarketCap. Now, according to CoinMarketCap, today they're up 3.1%. They have a token price today of about 1.9 cents per token. It says they have a full CertiK audit. You can find it if you go over to CoinMarketCap and search hello. You'll see that they have a full CertiK audit available linked on CoinMarketCap. They also have their Block Explorer on here, their BSC scan. So far they have 6,282 holders, 269,464 transfers, 18 decimal places on this token, and a total supply of 1 billion tokens. And yeah, you can find all their social links on CoinMarketCap as well. So it says, yeah, founder of multi-award-winning Hollywood director. Wow. So the crypto industry, they're blending entertainment to produce and distribute TV show, games, and NFTs. Holders of the Hello token will be granted direct access to the company's growing slate of offerings. Their debut TV show called Killer Whales is scheduled to be released in 2023. The show combines the best elements of the show Shark Tank and America's Got Talent, offering a platform for the next wave of projects to rebuild the industry's credibility and unearth the next Web3 unicorn in the process. So that's cool. And there's a YouTube trailer that you could watch for this Killer Whales TV show. So it's going to be like Shark Tank, but for Web3, mixed with America's Got Talent. And maybe this Paul Caslin guy will be like one of the Shark Tank type of people on there. Interesting project, though, for sure. Yeah, and this token just got listed yesterday on Hotbit, so definitely go check out that Hotbit referral code down there in the description box if you don't have a Hotbit account. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there and leave a comment. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.